Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do beginning letter sounds. This is a picture of a ham. Ham starts with the letter. Is it a J? Is it a J or is it an H? An H. Very good. Ham begins with an H. This is a picture of a turtle. Turtle. What letter does turtle start with? A D or a T? Turtle. Very good. A T. This is a picture of a donut. Donut. What sound do you hear in donut? D or L? A D. Great job, boys and girls. Donut. Next one is volcano. Volcano. What sound do you guys hear? Volcano. A J or a V? Volcano. Very good. A V. Can you guys say V? Last one. What's this a picture of? Lettuce. Lettuce. Oh. Is that a J or an L? Lettuce. An L. Very good, boys and girls. Bye.